Hello and welcome to Filmmaking. I am Rohan Nag and this is
Pushkaraj,
Ravi Raj.
and we are not from Yashraj.
Okay, so
PO.
coming to the second part of the movies which have made India proud.
Yeah, the
Bollywood
Bollywood
proud.
movies which
Bollywood.
are not ashamed to Bollywood and not ashamed to India and actually have made the industry proud.
Yes. And no remakes and copies of movies. So we'll start this list with Devdas and Dev D. Devdas not the Shah Rukh Khan version.
Yes, please. The original Devdas. It was essentially a movie made on a Bengali classic, though I do not entirely agree with the story and how it pans out. Anyway, that is a personal thing, but as a movie,
See,
it was spectacular.
That's where you do not get Bengali culture. The point of the whole movie is Bengali guys are such big losers that when one girl leaves them, they will get drunk with a lot of other people. They will spend all their money.
There are hot prostitutes falling in love with them, but still not get more.
See, that's the whole point. He can have a lot of hot women falling for him. It's not the fact कि वो किसी को पटा नहीं
He
सकता.
gives up, and that is where the whole sacrifice and romance comes in.
Yes.
But
Right.
it
But
is
the reason-
definitely amazingly classical
Right.
Indian.
Yeah. So that's
Romance.
one reason that the
And
classic,
It moves
classic
you.
romance.
Honestly, however loserish, it moves you, it touches
It
you.
moves you. So it's a classic
And
romance
then we come to DFD.
right.
It's
Yeah.
spectacular filmmaking. And then they try to remake it with Shah Rukh Khan, with major sets and all that crap. Devdas, it failed miserably. But at the same time, another director came up with a movie called Dev D, which is not a remake but rather sort of a reboot.
Reimagination.
Or a reimagination of Devdas in today's time and place. And he has killed it. He has made it perfectly well. He's made it how it should be. How a character like Devdas,
right, yes.
the same loserish character would be in the times of today. And he's drawn parallels to current events, current things, the way people behave. And he's added his own twist of modern behavior to the end. Like, I would not give a spoiler and tell
But
you how.
I really liked how the movie ended. I
Yes.
was
Yeah,
not
I really
expecting
love
that.
that.
ending.
One of the reason why that
Personally-
movie made mark
Yeah.
is the ending of the movie.
Personally-
Where he didn't take the routine
as,
Devdas way.
as the
and-
character, I prefer the new Dev D to the original Dev Das because as a character he is more human, he is more in time, and he is what should be aspirational, not the idiot Dev Das who was in the old movie.
Yeah, this
as
is
a
how
classical
the
and romantic.
this is how the young Indian will react in this
When-
Yes.
century.
When-
And he should. Unfortunately, they've been
The
following
point
stupid,
is-
crappy Bollywood movies.
The point is when Sharat Chandra wrote the story, it was not supposed. It's a cautionary tale.
Yeah.
कि भाई लड़कियों के पीछे मत पड़ो, पढ़ाई करो. Do cricket. You will be
Focus on your
Saurav
life.
Ganguly. You will not be Devdas.
But yeah, people made it like the ideal of behavior, and even today you see stupid college kids falling in love and like, मेरे को उनसे प्यार है, खिचिक खिचिक, and trying to kill themselves and stupid shit. Don't do that shit. That is old Devdas. Watch new DFD, move on. In life, move on. Everything happens, move
That
on.
reminds
I think
me.
you just
Moving
why
on. The next movie.
Moving on, the next movie. One of my favorite movies of all time, Dil Chahta Hai.
दिल चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन
Dil Chahta Hai, definitely up there in the top
The
tier of Bollywood.
songs, the dialogues.
The story.
The story.
Okay, so
The
there are
character.
a lot of movies which
I
are
think
friendship,
we would be
but-
partial to it and we would love it
Because
more
it's
than
our
probably you
generation,
would or anybody else would. We watched it when we were in college.
Yes.
And I think all of us have watched it at least 3 times with a
Right.
different group of friends and still loved it and still felt every moment.
Right.
If you want to make a movie
Right.
on friendship and romance and the journey of life,
And moving on from friendship.
and yeah, this is the movie. Dil Chahta Hai is the movie you rip off from. Hollywood, are you listening? Rip off from this movie. It's a good movie to rip off from. For a change, you'd be ripping off from something good. Alright?
One of the movies when I cried.
Cried.
Dil Chahta.
I cried. No?
No, you did?
You cried when Chewbacca died. It's okay.
It's okay.
Chewbacca didn't die.
Fuck you. I'm just kidding. But yeah, you get
When
the
did
point.
Chewbacca die?
Right, but Dil Chahta Hai, definitely a must watch.
We come to another of Amir Khan's classic movies, Tare Zameen Pe.
बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे
I did cry.
I cried all 3 hours. I
Not
was
all
like,
3
say, I
hours.
was in hostel.
Last
so-
scene, come on.
Yeah.
No, I cried when
The painting scene. Yeah, I cried when he sees the painting. Right.
It's very different from for Bollywood, and actually I give credit to Amir Khan to be the only guy in recent Bollywood to have ever even invested or considered making a movie which is not a typical romance bullshit crap seller movie. Tare Zameen Par was it, you know?
not to mention,
A
he was not
movie
even
or
a hero in there.
Yeah, he was a supporting actor in the movie. Amir Khan himself is a supporting actor in the movie, and it's on a dyslexic kid and how he finds talent in him, and you know how it changes his life for him. Yes, yeah. I was dyslexic. I was in the hostel. I could identify the entire movie myself, and it is beautifully made. It makes you cry. It touches you. It has its happy moments. It has everything.
And still, in spite of all this is a commercial success. That's
And yes,
the best part
that
about
is
this
what is
movie.
spectacular about this
Yes.
movie. This movie not only touched your hearts, but it also touched the producers' wallets and filled it with a shitload of cash. That is Amir Khan, by the way.
Yes.
It was amazing. It was a commercial success. It was an emotional success, and I would say it is by far and definitely up in the top 10 of Bollywood.
I think the first, I mean, I will rank it the first position when as far as the kids movie.
kids
is concerned.
movies.
I mean,
yes.
kid as a
among
character.
Bollywood
yeah.
kids movies, this is at the top of the list. The must watch from Bollywood. Right?
Now coming on to the next one of few Bollywood superhero movies which don't actually have superpowers as such. It is a superhero movie, think about it. He has a stage name and he has a costume which is pretty much invisibility. Mr. India.
Mogambo. Joshua.
Oh yes,
Hail
definitely,
Mogambo.
definitely. Hail Mogambo. I think Mr. India was a defining moment for Bollywood.
Yeah.
No, Anil Kapoor, the kids.
मांगे माफी दीदी लो पकड़े हम कान रे ना मांगे सोना चांदी
Evil villain called Mogambo, and everybody said, Hail Mogambo!
Who doesn't know Mogambo?
And the epic costumes and everything, and the amazingly sexy, sensual dance by Shri Devi.
जब आ ही गई मैं पास तेरे कह दूं जो दिल में है मेरे लो आज मैं कहती हूँ
Which as the kids were watching were like, Auntie क्या कर रही है?
क्या कर रहे हो आंटी?
Why auntie why?
You see, one of the reason why this movie is on the list is the moment we took the name Mr. India, there's a smile on your face, right?
Yeah.
So the reason why this movie
The
is
cameraman
there,
is smiling. by
Yeah,
the way.
okay.
That's what he was pointing out.
So the reason why this movie is there is it is also a typical Bollywood masala movie.
It
Okay,
is,
no
it
doubt
is.
about that. But the way it has been directed, the story, the emotional part, and you get convinced with each and every. The man gets invisible, and how? I mean, come on.
Did you
But
cry when the little baby event happened?
of course I cried.
See?
Of course I cried. Yes.
Were you happy when he finally beats the villain?
Yes.
Were you amused when all he does all the antics in the casino?
Yes.
That is it. It has
Bollywood.
every emotion in
What
there.
are you doing?
Bollywood.
Make a sequel. Anil Kapoor is still alive.
Yes.
Are you waiting for him to die of old age? What are you doing? Make a sequel.
Make a
Make a
sequel.
part 2.
Make
Make a sequel.
Bollywood, please make a
They were planning to make it. They were-
well-written
they were
sequel
planning
to Mr. India,
to have,
and you know get a good writer. And Shekhar Kapoor, I know you're too busy with ads and stuff like that, but please, this one deserves a sequel. I think at least to tell this generation of what awesomeness you had back then with Mr. India. I think we at least need a hint of it again, please.
Yes.
Right.
Please.
So definitely up there, Mr. India.
So from superheroes, we come down to sports movies. And India has very few sports
Very
movies, as
few.
we
As we
mentioned
did.
earlier
Yeah.
with Lagan. And this is one of the again an Amir Khan film. This is a defining
I
moment.
love that guy.
जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर अरे हमसे बच के रहना मेरी जान
So Jita Wai Sikandar. I think this is the movie that actually made me want a cycle.
For all of us, bought
This
cycles,
this
we have to
movie
watch
is
this.
not only growing up, it's about college rivalries, which most of us have faced.
Mhm.
School, college rivalries, sports events, and teenage romance or whatever.
And everybody has danced to Pehla Nasha.
Yes.
पहला नशा पहला खुमार
So Pehla Nasha, was the era-defining romance. It was action, adrenaline,
Everything.
every emotion you can throw into the Indian culture mix of biryani.
Also the time when it came, the people were like really bored of watching the routine
Yeah.
Bollywood drama shit. That's what the time when Govinda started acting and people like like you were bored watching the typical Bollywood movies
You had
and
the-
that brought the freshness.
You had Gunmaster
and,
G9s happening and all Bollywood going overboard, and then you see this real life drama kind of movie and you love it. It is spectacular. I have watched it at least 20 times till date and still
Yes.
not bored of it.
And I don't
It is
know why.
amazing.
For some reason, Jo Jita Wohi Sikandar reminds me of, rather Koi Mil Gaya reminds me of Jo Jita Wohi Sikandar. Small town, it's kind of a college, school thing happening there. I don't know why. I feel like he's ripped off the treatment of that movie. I don't know why. I feel like it.
I don't feel so, but still,
Yeah, that's just my
Jyoti
opinion.
Sikandar holds its own. It is an amazing movie.
Next is a movie which I personally hate, so I'll let him lead with it. Hum Dil Se Chuke Sanam.
Okay. The reason, why this movie is on the list. One is the scale. Second is one of the very few musical movie which has a good story along with
Exactly.
the good music. Okay.
If I want to
one of
tell
the
a
only
a Hollywood director how to direct a musical, I would give him a nice big DVD, of Hum Dil Se Chuke. This is the shit.
Right.
Yeah.
I one of the fact what I like about this movie, it's based in the current time, and when the movie was made, it was based in the current time, and still it had that Indian colors, Indian music, and total Indianness to the movie. So that they also went abroad and shot it, but still you felt that the movie had total.
It had everything a
and-
good musical should have. Romance, story, every song is brilliant, and it's on a scale which is grandiose. Even the house they live in is fucking palatial. That is what musicals are made of. They're made
Yeah.
of dreams, and this movie is made of dreams, and it shatters them, and it brings them back together, and you feel moved. It makes you cry. I cried, and I think a lot of people, songs from this movie have been their epic favorite breakup songs. No? Yes, we've been there.
Sorry.
Yeah?
Best breakup song, Tanhai from Dil Chahta Hai.
Yes, that too, but then
That was mine too.
we'll do that as a separate
But
video,
Tadap
but
Tadap.
Tadap was exactly.
No.
Okay, go on YouTube right now, search for Tadap, and I think it will be your defining breakup song if you are in a breakup right now. Okay?
Don't talk
We
about
understand. Don't get emotional.
Moving on to the next
Hum Dil
movie.
Se Chuke Sanam is still, I give it a thumbs
Yes.
up.
Yes.
One of classics, one of the old classics, Devanand classics, Guide.
आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है आज फिर मरने का इरादा है
Now, this is a movie which is so different from its own time. In 1965 or whatever time it was released in, all the movies were typical bhai bichad gaye and these kind of things are happening. And this movie was so different. It is about a married woman. It's about a guy who leaves his career and becomes a guru. Lot of things which is, you do not expect that from a Devanand film. You expect him to always sing, dance and be happy.
chocolate hero and
Yeah.
be
And,
see it's
the songs.
the songs exactly.
The songs
That's
are
what I was
brilliant.
saying.
And even if I've not seen it, I would give it credit because for an Indian movie to be made on an Indian book, 2 thumbs up right there.
Right. The movie is not from the era where we have seen the movies, right? But when you ask your parents about the good movies
Yeah,
that
my
they have
parents
seen,
love
this
that.
is one movie which they never fail to mention, right? So one of the reasons why it's there on the list.
So Guide,
Yeah.
watch it.
Still keeps its place on the list.
Then we come down to one gangster movie. Gangster movie, there are a couple of few which are good in Bollywood. This is the best. This has Kallu Mama in it. You guys it.
Satya.
Okay, can I speak about Satya?
Yes.
Okay, I'm the biggest fan of Satya. Satya is the movie I feel in Bollywood which has got everything right about it. Everything. Casting,
I agree.
the music, the cinematography, the story, the screenplay, dialogues, background score, everything about Satya was right.
And it was not a commercial, typical Bollywood funded Bollywood movie.
Exactly,
It is independent
exactly.
cinema of that era.
I think
It
one
was
of
brilliant.
the reason why it changed the Bollywood, Satya brought the realism. When we
Yes.
talk about realism in the Bollywood movie, it was the first movie kind of which brought the realism in the mainstream cinema. Right? When you show the gunshot, you don't have the like the normal gunshot sound effect. You don't have the normal.
You don't have the
It's a
hero
thing.
who can
Yeah.
punch 10 people, who can
Right.
actually get hurt. And By the way, Satya is one movie which took realism to a level where they took an actor who was not even known in Bollywood in a movie that was supposed to be released in
In fact,
Hollywood.
apart from Urmila Matondkar, there was no
Nobody,
mainstream,
no main- yeah.
no mainstream. Manoj Vajpayee.
And
Manoj Vajpayee was
career.
nobody.
This is the
Was
movie that
nobody,
made
right?
Manoj Vajpayee's career, and that
Bhiku Matre, huh.
Bhiku Matre, in the role of Bhiku Matre, and I think every guy in India would know Bhiku Matre by name today purely because of his performance. This movie had defining performances. It is sort of the Godfather equivalent in India, if you may
Right,
say
yeah.
so, made on an independent scale. It is spectacularly brilliant. It's a gangster story, but it goes into the hows and whys and makes you emote with each and every character out there in that mess of a world filled with violence and love and hatred and politics. It is brilliant. It is a movie that
It is a
moves you,
brilliant
makes
movie.
you
It is a
cry,
brilliant movie.
keeps you
For me,
connected,
it is,
entertains
it
you.
is, yeah, it is one. I will rank it number one in the movies in 90s.
Yeah,
So it comes
it's
in
the
the
movies
late
in
90s,
90s,
but
yes.
I'll keep it. still
And
number
it is definitely in the top 10 of the genre redefining movies in India, in Bollywood as such. So definitely stays on the list.
I love Kallu Mama. Like, what a character. What a freaking character. So,
Oh, sorry. It also has one of the best scenes in the Bollywood that I like when the Bhiku Matre gets shot.
yes.
That I feel is one of the best scenes in the
If you have not seen that movie, that's a spoiler, but if you have not seen that, then go watch it right now. And then we move to Unromantic Classic, which has given a new meaning to lovers and stuff. Amir Khan's Qayamat Se Qayamat.
Again, Amir Khan. I love the guy. Come on. Qayamat se Qayamat tak. I
Papa
think,
kehte hain.
yeah, this was the time when we had VCRs and video cassettes. Yeah.
Right.
And
Most of us have seen this movie on
I was, I think, in nursery or first standard, and I remember ruining the VCR by playing this movie so many times that the fucking tape got wound in it and some shit.
1988.
So
It
the
was
reason
epic.
why this movie is on the list, not only this movie has a different story, but one of the very few movies in that years which had guts to make a sad ending. Right?
Yes, that
The
is
saddest ending
where
possible.
this movie clinches it. You know, it is the quintessential essential Bollywood romance with all the love and two warring families. It's the Romeo and Juliet. Honestly, it's the Romeo and Juliet of Bollywood. Okay, but and that is where I could cut points.
Hmm.
But it is made in a way that is unarguably Bollywood. It is perfectly Bollywood in every sense, and it carries every performances to its T. You can compare Amir Khan to Romeo and
Jai Chawla.
Joy Chawla to Juliet, but then you would still remember them as the characters that they have played in this movie because they have carried it off well. Every character, including the villains, including the story,
I actually
everything.
don't
moving.
remember the villains. I remember the song Papa Kehte Hain.
Yeah.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा
That's what Papa Kehte Hain is a redefining song.
Right,
I think
yeah.
that song was what made the movie so popular. Yeah, this is the movie sort of that catapulted Amir Khan into the cult chocolate hero status.
So yeah,
And
this
definitely a movie that you must watch in the romance genre of Bollywood.
this episode is turning into a Amir Khan fest.
I know, but I love Amir Khan.
Okay. Coming on to the next movie, which is also an Amir Khan movie.
Bhaktiri.
हम है राही प्यार की.
यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से
Hey, okay, hilarious movie, alright. One of the most perfect comedies to come out of
Yes,
India.
Yes, yes.
I think all of us have
I
watched it.
think you know what this movie did. Two states, 20 years before two states happened.
Actually, yes,
Yes,
exactly.
yeah.
So yeah, Hame Rai Pyar Ki is a movie you should watch. It has
The kids made it very
Yeah.
hilarious. The kids made it very entertaining. One of the movies where you have the hero tagged with the kids and it was never told story, something like
Yeah.
that. And
you have a lone uncle taking care of kids. It's brilliantly made. I would pay my respects to it.
do you remember the Anda fight?
Yes, the anda fight in the movie must have caused I don't know the death of how many andas in my house and hostel. I think many other people must have tried and got fired by their moms and parents, where you actually take eggs and throw it at people and then have a fight about it. Huge wastage of eggs, but fun nonetheless. I think if you watch this movie or if you don't watch this movie, you should still try having an
Anda
anda fight. Anda fight, highly recommended right there.
Yes.
So I think that brings end to the second episode. Mostly Amir Khan movies. Well, we'll go for the third episode now. Next.
Alright,
Thank
see
you.
ya.